What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel! Para sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, ako po si Alec, isang simpleng mamayan ng bansang Pilipinas! Kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, ALEKTISH Official. Click on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag may mga bagong videos tayo na i-upload. And for today's video, ituturo ko ngayon sa inyo kung paano mag-register sa LTO Portal. Kasi nga, di ba, recently, nag-announce ang LTO na marami na tayong pwedeng magawa through their portal, such as registration, renewals, applications, etc., etc. Are you excited? Same here! What are you waiting for? Let's get this party started! Welcome back guys! So as promised, ipapakita ko ngayon sa inyo kung paano mag-register sa LTO Portal. So syempre, unang-una, pumunta muna tayo sa website na yun. So itype nyo lang portal.lto.gov.ph. Then ganito yung itsura nun. Then i-click nyo lang yung register now. Mapupunta kayo ngayon sa Terms of Agreement screen. Basahin nyo lang yan, and then after that, i-tick nyo yung box sa baba, and then enter the security code correctly. I-click nyo lang yung next, and then at this screen, piliin natin yung enroll as individual. Next screen, itatanong sa inyo kung meron ba kayong existing driver's license. Pag no ang sinagot nyo, ito ang makikita nyo sa next screen. So, pipiliin nyo yung nationality, i-enter nyo yung details nyo, pati yung contact information nyo. And then, you are about to create an account. On the other hand, pag clinic nyo naman yung yes, kailangan nyo munang i-complete ang portion na to, which is all about your existing driver's license. So, say for example, yung mismong license number, the expiry date, and of course, the serial number which could be found at the back of your card. After that, i-click nyo lang yung next, and you have to fill out your personal information at this screen. After that, next screen will ask for your contact information, and once you're done, you are good to go in creating your account. So you just have to click on Create Account, and this pop-up message will show stating that you are successfully registered. Now, they will also send you an email to your registered email address to verify your registration in 24 hours time. So, kailangan i-check nyo na kaagad yung email nyo, and then ganito po yung itsura ng email na isasend sa'yo. All you have to do is to click on this link from the email to verify your registration. After that, mapupunta na kayo sa screen na to, wherein you will be creating your account password. So guys, before you do that, please make sure that your password meets the criteria, which must be minimum of 8 characters. It should have alphabets and numbers, and it must have an uppercase and a lowercase alphabet. Now, once it's successfully set up, click nyo lang tong set password for login, and then mapupunta kayo back to the logon screen. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo dito sa may bandang taas, sa may naka-highlight na green, it says there that your account has been verified and confirmed, and you just have to enter your new password at this portion. Now, kung mapapansin nyo rin, merong mga numbers na pinakita dito for the username. It's up to you if you would like to make a note of it, but you don't have to worry about it though, because you could also use your email address in logging into the account. Okay, so say for example, nakalogin na kayo sa account nyo. I would highly recommend you to go to profile, i-scroll nyo lang sa pinakababa, ang profile ay nasa dulo, i-click nyo lang yan, and hanapin nyo ang part na i-verify ang mobile number nyo. I-tap nyo lang yung verify, and then magsisend sa'yo ng one-time PIN via SMS to that mobile number. You just have to enter it for your mobile number to be verified. After that, a confirmation will show at the top part of the screen. Ayan, your mobile number is verified. Now, what's the difference between verified and not yet verified sa mobile number? Well, kung verified na ang mobile number mo, itong mga naka-no na to is pwede mo nang gawing yes, which is very convenient. Bakit? Ano-ano ba tong mga to? Ito lang naman ay mga notification na isa-send sa'yo all about your account and your license. Ang pinakamaganda dito is yung notification 60 days before the expiry of your license. Kasi malay mo, sobrang busy natin. Mawala sa isip natin na pa-expire na yung license natin. So, yep, to avoid any penalties, maganda na rin na magkaroon tayo ng reminders such as these. Aside from these notifications, for newly created accounts, you could actually update your address or your civil status or some of your personal information. However, I just wanted to reiterate this, that there will be a reminder that will pop up from your screen before you confirm these details. At ito yon. Please note that your name, address, nationality, and civil status cannot be modified nor changed once you started a transaction. An application for revision of records to amend is required to change or modify your personal data thereafter. Now, pag clinic nyo tong okay, yon na ang information na masasave sa database ng LTO. So make sure that all the details that you've entered are true, valid, and correct. And that's it! And that wraps up our video for today. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, ALEKTISH Official. Click on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag may mga bagong videos tayo na i-upload. And guys, I'd like to thank you for always watching and supporting my videos. You take care and God bless! See you on my next videos!